Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix age restriction in PUBG Mobile. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on. So the process that I am going to show you on how to fix the age restriction in your PUBG Mobile is by using the gameplay management. So here's the thing. So there is exist an option to revert your reply, but there is a catch. So when you launch the game, you need to head over to settings and then go to the others section, and there you should see the gameplay management section with the option of age or above, and right next to it you get the yes or no options. And then, but you don't really have a say in this until 1 month has passed after you have incorrectly replied that you are below 18 years of age. And you can revert your answer within the next month. So, on tapping on either yes or no, a gameplay management system will pop up and it will list out the date and the time at which you change your age in PUBG. So, just to make it more clear, a player tried this experiment, and when the game asked whether they are above 18 years old, they replied in negative and tapped in no. And then when they went to the gameplay management system to change the response, they were given a date 1 month from now on. So just like right here, so rounding off, once you have here your in your age section in the beginning, you will have to wait for 1 month until the said period has evolved. So you could either wait or log in with a new ID, although it means that you will have to start the game from scratch, yet something is better than nothing. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.